All right, Christiana, how are you today?
Good.
All right. Okay, so we're at the normal tender spots up here, right at the bottom of your neck, upper back in here. Yeah. Any headaches or anything bad like that?
No.
Okay. We're gonna get right in here. Moving really good right there. Oh, beautiful. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit, let your head relax there, okay? Here. Oh, good job. Let's get your low back here. I'm gonna lay you on your right hip. All right, I got you. I'm pulling you toward me. There you go. Awesome. All right.
That's like everything.
Awesome.